So in the energy and aerospace sectors, there's a push for the moment towards net carbon zero. And with more efficient engines, one of the ways that this is achieved is by running them at hotter temperatures. But with higher operating temperatures comes lower component lifespans, and there's a demand at the moment from engineers to be able to validate their thermal models. And one of the ways that this is done is by using thermal history coatings. This work was a collaboration between Centre Coating Systems, Queen Mary University London and King's College London University. And Centre Coatings worked on the hardware, so that's the miniaturization of our instrumentation, along with the hardware creation of the snake robot, where King's College and Queen Mary Universities worked on the vision system that allows for localization within the engine environment. The outcome of this work was to create a prototype snake robot that was able to navigate its way in a mock-up engine environment. One of our customers kindly supplied their CAD model for a section of their engine that we were able to then test our hardware and vision system on. So the hope with snake robot technology is to be able to put our instrumentation onto an engine and take in situ temperature measurements, removing the need to disassemble an engine, and then further be able to utilize the snake robot in the service and maintenance sector.